How to create audit on MyLegal Software. The audit page is your central hub for generating comprehensive reports across 7 key areas of your practice. Think of it as your firm's analytics center, helping you track and analyze cases, events, mail, tasks, accounting, timesheet, and clients. Today, we will be looking at how to create audits for these 7 key areas. Let's dive into the Cases tab, where you'll find 9 powerful ways to analyze your firm's caseload, each serving a specific purpose in your practice management. Case audits allow you to audit all the cases handled for your firm. This displays all the information associated with cases in your database. This is perfect when preparing quarterly reports or conducting internal reviews. Everything about every case at your fingertips. You can also break down workload distribution by caseworker role, name, case type. Ideal for your Monday morning meetings when planning case assignments or evaluating team capacity with the attorney and paralegal reports. With the dormant case audit, you get to track cases needing attention. Let's say it's your monthly review. Quickly identify which cases haven't seen recent activity and need follow-ups. Asides keeping track of cases that need attention, you can also track cases with no task activity. This is essential for weekly check-ins to ensure no case gets overlooked. Asylum Report Specialized Tracking is critical for tracking filing deadlines and hearing schedules. Hourly Billing Track helps you keep track of your billable time. This is perfect for month-end billing reviews. The Case Audit feature also lets you to monitor and track the download capabilities for each document associated to your cases. This is invaluable during case audits. Deleted Cases Tracker keeps track of removed cases and includes restoration options, crucial for maintaining accurate records. Lastly, on the case audit, we have the Case Strategy Report Monitor, which is essential for strategy meetings and progress reviews. Please note that every report offers granular filtering and exports to PDF or Excel. Whether you're preparing for a partner meeting or conducting a case audit, you'll find exactly what you need. The next item on the audit list is Events. The Events tab helps you track all appointments and appearances through 2 key perspectives, namely, forthcoming appearances and prior appearances. Forthcoming Events gives you a comprehensive view of all upcoming appointments. This is perfect for weekly planning. Imagine you're mapping out next week's court appearances and need to ensure all client prep meetings are scheduled and documents are ready. On the other hand, Prior Appearances maintains a historical record of past events, displaying the same detailed information as Forthcoming Events, but for appointments that should have already taken place based on calendar entries. This becomes particularly valuable when you need to verify past hearing details or review patterns in case progression. Say you're training a new team member, you can easily pull up examples of similar cases and show them typical event sequences and preparation timelines. The third item on the audit function is Mails. Think of this as your mail command center, tracking everything from that crucial USCIS approval notice to client communications. It's divided into 4 powerful tracking systems, namely incoming, outgoing, not mailed out, and returned mail. Every piece of mail that arrives at your firm is logged here at the Incoming Mail Audit tab. Picture this. It's Monday morning, and you need to know if that time-sensitive RFE arrived last week. Just a quick filter, and you'll see exactly when it came in and who's handling it. Outgoing mail keep tabs on every document leaving your office. Say you've got a client asking about their application status. In seconds, you can pull up the tracking number and confirm it's safely at USCIS. When your managing partner asks why a particular filing hasn't gone out, you can quickly check its status and see who needs a gentle reminder. This information can be easily gotten from the Not Mailed Out report. Lastly, Returned Mail Log track every piece of returned correspondence. Imagine catching a returned USCIS notice early, updating the address, and getting it back out before it impacts your filing deadline. Also note that you can filter each of these views to find exactly what you need and export them to PDF or Excel for your team meetings or client updates. It's like having a postal supervisor, quality control manager, and tracking system all in one place. Now let's explore how the Tasks section helps you keep your team's workflow running smoothly. This section breaks down into two powerful tracking tools that give you complete visibility of your firm's task management, namely task audits and reminders. Task audits is your bird's-eye view of every task in your firm. Here's a real-world scenario. Your managing partner asks how many RFE responses are due this month across all attorneys. Instead of checking individual cases, you can filter the task audit by task type and due date range. Instant insight into your firm's RFE workload. On the other hand, we have Reminders, which is your firm's comprehensive follow-up system. Picture this. It's the start of your week, and you need to ensure no deadline slips through the cracks. A quick glance at your Reminders report shows you every follow-up task across the firm, who's responsible, and what needs immediate attention. Both sections offer granular filtering to drill down to exactly what you need. Maybe all high-priority tasks for a specific attorney, or all reminders related to naturalization cases. And of course, you can export everything to PDF or Excel for your team meetings or progress reports. It's like having a project manager and personal assistant rolled into one, keeping everyone accountable and on track. Now let's dive into the accounting section, your financial command center. This powerful tool breaks down into 4 key areas that give you complete visibility of your firm's financial health, namely invoices fully paid, outstanding invoice, monthly invoice, and monthly payments due. Invoices fully paid track every successfully completed. Imagine your quarterly tax prep is coming up. Instead of digging through files, generate a complete report of all paid invoices, every payment properly documented and ready for your accountant. Outstanding invoices keep tabs on payments still due. Imagine it's Monday morning and you need to prioritize collection calls. Filter this report by oldest due dates, and you've got your call list ready to go. Monthly invoice overview. Your comprehensive billing snapshot. Say you're planning next month's cash flow. This report shows you exactly what billing is coming up and which cases include USCIS filing fees. Monthly payments. Do track installment payments with precision. Picture this. You need to check all overdue installments for payment plans. One filter, and you can see exactly which clients need a gentle payment reminder. The next item on the audit page is Timesheet. Timesheet is your one-stop destination for tracking every billable minute across your firm. Timesheet Audit Log shows you your case number, date, username, description, hours spent, rate details, and billable amount. From each entry, you can see exactly who worked on what, for how long, and at what rate. The beauty is in the filtering. You can easily narrow down entries by date range, staff member, or case type to get exactly the data you need. Here is a pro tip. Use this timesheet report not just for billing, but also for understanding work patterns and resource allocation. Maybe you'll discover that H-1B cases consistently take more hours than estimated, helping you adjust future quotes and staffing plans. Last but not the least on the audit section is Clients. This section focuses on one powerful report that helps you understand your client demographics and distribution. The Clients by Nationality report are a report that shows you the case number, client name, email ID, phone number, nationality, state, country branch name, and case type. What makes this report particularly powerful is its flexibility. Need to focus on specific groups? Use the U.S. Clients checkbox to filter for domestic cases or specify states to analyze regional patterns. Think about these scenarios. You are planning to expand your practice and need to understand which immigrant communities you serve most. Your firm is considering adding language services, and you need data on client nationalities. You are analyzing which states generate the most business for targeted marketing. Here's where it gets practical. Running a workshop for H-1B applicants. Filter by nationality and case type to build your invite list. Opening a new branch? Analyze client distribution by state to pick the best location. Need to send targeted updates about country-specific immigration changes? Filter by nationality and export your contact list. Like all our audit reports, you can filter for exactly what you need and export to PDF or Excel, perfect for strategic planning or presentation to stakeholders.